kumwe n'abanyeshuri banjye ba makeup bari kwiga. Huyu friend wangu anaitwa Nafisa. Analan saizi najua anajaribu kabisa kujipaka. Unaona ka eyebrows. Nafisa ona hapa vizuri. Ameanza kujua tu vitu kidogo.
Maybe ni mgeni.
Kuna mwingine hapa sasa.
Hello.
Huyu unamjua kabisa, huyu unamjua, anaitwa Mignon.
Kabisa.
Saa hizi sasa mnaona ka eyebrows kake. Ameanza kujua tu vitu kujipaka kidogo kidogo. So nitaenda nikiwaonesha the process. Watu wote mnataka kujifunza kujua makeup. Come to MD Makeup, mtajua vizuri, muende mfanye kazi zenu kabisa. Yeah, asanteni. Hello, sai niko na my best friend Nafisa, another student. Nafisa uko aje?
I'm okay.
Hey, wow, uko smart. Naona
you.
umeanza kujipaka paka umerani kabisa. Sasa, niambie hiyo makeup umejipaka ni makeup gani?
Oh, so this is just simple. Ni makeup to simple. Simple makeup. Yeah.
Ni simple aje na naona uko smart hivyo.
Oh, thank you.
Sasa umetumia nini kujipaka hiyo simple makeup?
I've used a Fenty as a foundation. Na a bit of black opal to contour just a bit because ni just simple makeup. And then just the normal eye pencil for the eyebrows and a bit of Pro. It's for the concealer underneath the eyebrows. Yeah, just a bit kidogo too. And for the eyes, a bit of eyeshadow. I used Huda Beauty.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, hizo product zote ni zako?
Actually hizo zote mzuri I use. Nimepata hiyo chance. For now sina hizo products mzuri, so nime have to borrow from my teacher Janet, but eventually as nikienda tu through nikilearn kujua kupaka makeup vizuri, then I'll definitely buy those products because ni nzuri.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sasa mkikuja shule wanawasaidia na some products.
Yeah, they actually hiyo shule yake they do give you the products because bado we ni mgeni, so they provide you, like for instance you see she has a Fenty, which is
tuonyeshe vizuri hiyo Fenty.
Like,
brand ya Rihanna.
So this is Rihanna's brand, Fenty. Actually when you apply you even feel it's very smooth and soft on your face. Yeah, it doesn't cause any irritation.
Wow.
Yeah.
Na inasaidia uso yako isiharibike.
Yeah. Yeah, as well pia there's black opal.
Wow.
So I just use this to contour a bit on the cheek side. Yeah, just a bit. Pia for the lips, because it is just simple makeup, so I used a bit of lipstick. So this product is just actually Kiss Beauty. It's just a simple one.
Yes.
So just the lipstick, the purple lipstick, and then a bit of the matte lipstick, which is also from Kiss Beauty. So I just use it katikati a bit to make it pop.
Wow.
Yeah, and a bit of gloss as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sasa umefanya siku ngapi ukilani?
So for me actually I'm just 2 days old, just 2 days, but hopefully as I go through I'm looking forward to being better because this is just day 2. So watch out, maybe after 30 days I'll be very okay. Yes. Hopefully.
Haki umejaribu na unalani mbio kabisa. Unaona vitu zinakuja vizuri.
Yeah.
Sasa kwa hizo siku unamaliza ukijifunza. Kitu gani imekuchallenge?
Honestly, I would say blending is actually the hardest because having the products, you have everything, the foundation, the powders, everything, but if you do not know how to blend it, it can actually be horrible. Itakuwa mbaya kabisa because hautajua how to blend it, so it will just going to be there. Umepaka makeup but it's not makeup, it's just the powders on your face. Yeah, so I would say that would be the challenge for me.
Wow, hakinaona uko sawa, uko smart, umejipaka vizuri. So our lovers tutaenda tukiwaonesha kufika Anisa akijua everything, kujiwekea lashes, kucontour, kudo what everything, tutakuja kuwaonesha. Thank you so much to be with us. Anisa, unaambia nini watu wa MDTV show wenye wanataka kulearn makeup?
If you want to learn makeup, you can actually come to MD's school, because she's very nice and she's understanding, because atakupeleka through bila wasiwasi, pole pole. Kama ujalan vizuri atakutoa mistakes, and then she's trying to make you be perfect. So
she's Minyoni, bimeze biti?
Tumeze bien, tumeze poa.
Ndabibona rero ko umaze kwisiga bimeze neza. Hari byo byinshi umaze kumenya ku bijyanye na makeup ushobora gusangiza abandi?
Maze kumenya ibijyanye na makeup bitari byose, ariko iby'ingenzi maze kubimenya.
Kandi murabona yuko yisize neza pe, reba hariya hirya bakureba everywhere. Yagerageje, urabona ko yagerageje. Hanyuma se ngaho twereke utuntu umuntu ashobora gukoresha kugira ngo wisige ka simple makeup. Utuntu n'uduki.
Simple makeup, ushobora kwisiga simple makeup.
Duhere kuri eyebrows wenda kugira ngo ushobora agatiro n'uduki wakwifashisha.
Ushobora gukoresha iyi ngiyi.
Iyo ni iki?
Iyi ni tiro. Aha ugakoresha n'aka ka brush.
Tiro ikora iki? Ariko myo
tiro nyine ni gucora, ni gucora nka tatu cyangwa.
Mbere yo gucora se ukoresha iki?
Urabanza ugakoresha kano ka brush, ukabanza ukasokoza utugoyi neza, hanyuma ugacoresha iyi ngiyi tiro. Wamara gucora ugashyiraho concealer ukoresheje iyi ngiyi bitewe n'uruhu rwawe, biterwa n'uruhu rw'umuntu. Ngiye nkoresha iyi ngiyi. Ugasiga concealer neza nyine kuri tiro yawe igasa neza. Hanyuma ugapaka foundation. Imbere ya foundation dusiga iyi ngiyi yitwa primer.
Primer ifasha iki?
Primer ituma uruhu rworoha, I think, cyangwa se
ituma udaswetinga.
Cyangwa udaswetinga. So iyo urangije gusiga rero primer, usiga aga foundation kawe kajyanye n'uruhu. Ngiye nkoresha iyi ngiyi. Ni foundation nziza cyane bitewe n'uruhu rw'umuntu. Ngiye nkoresha iyi ngiyi. Hanyuma usoje na foundation, urashobora gusiga aga powder hejuru.
Unasa foundation wisigisha iki?
Foundation urashobora gukoresha
beauty
blender. Ushobora gukoresha iyi ngiyi cyangwa se aka brush. Bitewe nyine n'uburyo bukoroheye aka brush, ariko byose
gafate neza tukabona.
Iyi ni brush. Hanyuma ugasiga aga powder hejuru kugira ngo bise neza, udashininga cyane. Hanyuma ugasiga n'akarabero ku munwa, nyine utuntu turi simple.
Abari ka simple makeup. Hanyuma rero wowe iyo wadukoreye genda abona atari simple makeup, yose yitwa gute?
Iyi ni full makeup kubera ko nasize
my shadow.
Nasize my shadow. So nasize full makeup. Ngewe iyi ifite ni full makeup, ariko kwa kundi ushaka kugenda nyine ufite nk'ihara ko ushaka kugenda usa neza, usiga utuntu tworoshye turi simple, nusige nyine utuntu dusa neza ariko dukeye
bidakabije.
Ariko iyi nasize ni full makeup.
Ariko nawe ntago wadushyiriyeho lashes, eyeliner, nyine muri full makeup hari ibintu bibura.
Harimo ibiburamo kubera ko mwarimu ni wowe ibyo ntiturabigeraho, ariko nyine ningi nuko kumeze ni full makeup kubera ko hariho nk'abantu badakunda eyelashes usiga gutyo just tukagenda, ariko iyi ngiyi ntabwo navuga ko ari simple, ni full makeup.
Hari ukuntu washokoje n'utugoyi utu tuntu two ku maso
twiza. Niba ari zo ngo ariko nyine tudakabije cyane.
Wow, uyu meze neza, watangiye kumenya. Hanyuma se washishikariza, wabwira iki abandi bakobwa cyangwa abana bashaka kwiga makeup? Ese biroroshye?
makeup buri ibintu byose ukomera ko ikintu biterwa n'ubushake umuntu yabigizemo. Urashobora kubona bikomeye ariko waza nyine wumva uri ready ubishaka cyane urabishobora pe. Makeup nabonye nta kintu kigoyemo cyane kirenze ku buryo wavuga ngo ngive nzapfa. Niba uri umuntu ukunda ibintu bijyanye na makeup gusa neza cyangwa se ukabikora nk'akazi kuko ni akazi abantu benshi ubu ngubu bari muri makeup waza kwa MD TV show bakakwigisha. Niho twese turi, hari abanyeshuri bari kwiga kandi ibintu bimeze neza cyane. So abantu nabashishikariza abakobwa cyangwa se abahungu kuko hari n'abahungu babikora. Umuntu wumva afite iyo passion cyangwa wumva afite ubwo bushake bwo kuza kwiga, you are welcome.
Yenga mwumvishe ukuntu Mignone azaganira neza, ujya uvuga ibintu byiza. Kuraje cyane, turagukunda kuri MD TV show. Kuraje cyane. Ubwo rero uraza kutwereka washizeho na lashes uko bizaba byifashe. Thank you so much. Turakomeza tubereke. Bye bye abashaka kwiga, abantu bari bakeneye kumenya utuntu wakoresha kugira ngo wisige makeup. Rero mwabyumvise, Mignone yabitweretse. Mukomeze mugire ibihe byiza, turabakunda cyane. Bye.